Today I'm going to show you how to set up a shop or a store in WordPress using the WooCommerce plugin. For starters, we're going to create a page called Shop or Store. To do this, we go to Pages and then Add New. I'm going to call my page Shop, but you can call it whatever you like. I'm now going to publish this page and then click Publish again to see that my page is live. Now I'm going to go to Plugins and click on Add New. I'm now going to search for WooCommerce. This is the plugin that you want to install if you're doing the same tutorial that I am. Click on Install Now, and then once it's installed, click on Activate. Once it's installed, you can click on Activate. This will activate your WooCommerce plugin. It'll now bring you to this setup menu. To have your store running, you must complete this setup menu, otherwise your store will not work. So click on Yes Please. This may look a little different depending on what version you have. It'll now show you what you're going to set up. I'm going to scroll down and click on Get Started. If you want to sign up for their newsletter and see all the features that they offer, then click on Yes, Count Me In, and then Continue. Now click on Activate and Continue. It will now bring you to this page here. This is where you fill out your email address, a username, and a password. Now click Create Your Account. Now it will log you into the account that you just created. Once it has logged you in, click Approve to approve your new account. Now it will redirect you to where you can fill in store details, industry, product types, business details, and theme. I'm going to go ahead and do this, and then I'll cut to when I've finished the theme for you. Once you have filled out all these steps, you can pick a theme. For now, I'm just going to continue with the theme that I'm using by clicking here. Now click on Continue. Here is the dashboard for your WooCommerce settings. You can add your first product, personalize your store, set up shipping, set up tax, and set up payments. There are more settings here. As well as this, if you scroll down, then you can see product settings, which includes all products, add new, categories, tags, and attributes.